In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the grid in Miro. Miro is a fantastic digital whiteboard tool known for its versatile features that make brainstorming and collaboration seamless. However, the default grid can sometimes feel cluttered or distracting, especially if you're working on design elements or trying to get a clean visual presentation. Luckily, Miro allows you to customize your workspace to improve your workflow. So let's dive in and learn how you can turn off that grid feature to get a cleaner look. First, you'll need to open Miro and navigate to the board where you're working. Once you're in, you'll notice the grid overlay on the board. This pattern can be useful as a guide for aligning elements, but it's not always necessary for every task. To remove it, start by looking at the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll see the main menu icon. Clicking on the main menu is your first step towards customization within Miro. After you've opened the main menu, your next move is to find the View option. This is where Miro stores all the settings related to the visual aspects of your board. Clicking on View will expand a menu showing options to alter how your board is displayed. This is a handy place where Miro centralizes tools for adjusting the visibility of various board elements, helping you tailor the interface to better suit your tasks. In the expanded View menu, you'll see different visual aids listed. To ensure the grid is no longer visible, you're going to select None. By toggling the settings to None, you effectively remove the grid lines from your view. This option is perfect for when you need a blank canvas to focus on your content without any distractions, and that's all it takes. You now have a clean, grid-free board to work on. Remember, you can always toggle the grid back on by following these same steps if you ever need it again. This flexibility allows you to switch between a structured or an open layout depending on your project needs. It's a simple yet powerful way to tailor Miro to your personal preference or to suit a particular task. By customizing your view, you ensure that Miro complements rather than complicates your work process. Removing the grid is just one of many settings worth exploring, so feel free to experiment with other visual adjustments in Miro. Whether you're working on a detailed design or presenting ideas, having control over your workspace can make a significant difference. Enjoy your Miro experience, and happy collaborating!